In this video, I will show you all the steps to create this easy, still very glamorous eye look. I'll show you how you can pair it with different outfits and different lipstick shades. So let's begin the video. Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. How is everyone doing? This is a season of festivals, events, weddings, and most of us, if not all of us, do not have a lot of time to get ready. So I decided to jump on here and show you a very easy but still very glamorous eye look that you can rock with every dress. Literally every dress. And you do not need a lot of products for it. One makeup palette and it will do the job. No, stop. Before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now let's start the video. As you can see, I'm already wearing a very fancy schmancy outfit. So I'm going to show you how I'm pairing this eye look first with this dress and the lipstick that I'm. The next step that I'm about to show, I'm actually loving this step. It has made my life so much easier. For a person who is very clumsy, this gives me the sharp edge on the outer corner of my eye that I literally failed to create before. The first shade that I'm using is brown as a transition for my crease area. The brown that you should be using for your crease area should not be very dark. It should be a very subtle muted brown, not a very dark one. The next shade that I'm using is this dark brown for the outer corner of my eyes. Once you have applied it, blend it towards the lid area. The last eyeshadow that I'm actually applying is this muted gold metallic shade, and I'm going to use my finger to apply it. This step is crucial, babies. Apply the same dark brown eyeshadow on top of the glitter eyeshadow so it gives you a seamless look and your shadows blend into each other. How can we not add glitter to this look? So I'm using this palette. It has all the beautiful glitters in it. If you want to know where I got this palette from, keep watching my channel and I will definitely share with you where I got it from. You can always skip the glitter step if you want a subtle look. You are not okay with using liquid eyeliners. Use the same eyeshadow palette, and from that palette, take the black eyeshadow, angled brush, and apply it to the outer corner of your eye. Alright, so I'm done with my liner. Let me just do my foundation routine and I'll be right back. Oh, before I go. My skin is oily, and if you want to know how I keep my foundation looking fresh and without the oil seeping through the foundation during a function, just write in the comments below and I'll show you an entire tutorial about it. For sure. So let me just finish the foundation routine and I'll be right back. And I'm back. I'm done with my foundation. I did my eyebrows. Let me show you the next step of completing your eye look. Take any black kohl pencil. I'm using the one from Hashmi Kajal, and fill your lower lash line till the mid. Don't go all the way till the inner corner. Just stop at the mid. Taking the same brown eyeshadow, apply it with an angled brush, apply it to your lower waterline. Again, don't go all the way till your inner corner. Stop in the middle till where you applied the black gold. Take a gold pencil. Any gold pencil will do. If you don't have a gold pencil, I'll be linking one in the description box. Do check it out. It is phenomenal. The most creamiest gold pencil in the world, I swear. Where you stopped with the black gold, just extend the line till your inner corner with the gold pencil. Take the mascara and apply the mascara. If you want to add false lashes to it, be my guest. I'm not adding false lashes. I'm keeping it, how do you say it, realistic, because not everyone wants to apply false lashes. Here I'm using the mascara hack, and the entire video is on my channel. So do check out the hack. Take any gold shimmer, something like this, a champagne gold color, and apply it to your inner corners. And highlighting the brow bone. And that's it. I look done. Now the next step, blush on. I like to pair my looks with a rosy pink color because I feel that suits me. You can pair it with any blush on shade you want. It's totally up to you. Now my friends is the lipstick part. I'm pairing it with two lipsticks. I'm applying the lipstick. I'm using the lipstick for the outer edge of my lips. Next, I'm applying the liquid lipstick on top of it. Do you ask me why? Do you want to know why? Well, write in the comments and I'll let you know in another video. This is my final look. I've added earrings, keeping the same lipstick on. So let me just go change and then I'll switch the lipstick and I'll show you how amazing the same eye look will look with a different lip shade. Just wait right here. I'll be right back. And I'm back. Now I've changed my outfit. Now I'm going to remove this lipstick and show you what I'm pairing this eye look with. These two colors. And I'm using the lipstick as my lip liner. Okay. Oh good. So this is another lip combination with the same eyeshadows. What do you think? Do you like it? Because I am absolutely loving it. It looks very nice. Now, on to the third look. I'll be right back. And I'm back with another outfit. Although this color is looking so amazing with this outfit, I want to change it so I can show you another lipstick that you can pair up very easily with this eye look. The next color that I'm pairing it with is a red lip combination. I ignore my hair, they're flying everywhere. It's not easy changing outfits with this updo. Now the liquid lipstick. I'm done applying the lipstick and this is the final look. Can you see how amazing this eye look is looking with this lip shade? In this video, I showed you one eye look, 3 different lip shades with 3 different outfits. So of all the 3, which one was your favorite? And which one would you be trying on yourself as well? Do write in the comments. And if you liked this video, do give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.